Everybody knows that the dice are loaded. Everybody rolls with their fingers crossed.
Think about it. Everything's polluted. The environment, the government, the schools, you name it. We're on 92 FM tonight, and it feels like a nice, clean little band. No one else is using it, and the price is right.
Are you listening to this?
Yeah, of course I'm listening.
There's nothing to do anymore. And all the great themes have been used up, turned into theme parks. So I don't really find it exactly cheerful to be living in a totally, exhausted decade where there's nothing to look forward to and no one to look up to.
He's got a pirate radio station. Nobody knows who he is.
I could be that anonymous nerd sitting across from you, and you turn around, and he just looks away. Never looks back at you again.